Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Today, I'm going to show you a collection of incredible tips, tricks, and hidden features that will completely change how you use your computer every single day. Ready? Let us jump in. One of the most annoying things Microsoft did with Windows 11 was changing the right-click menu. Instead of seeing all your options, you have to click Show More Options just to find what you need. It is a total waste of time. But here's a super easy trick. Next time you want to see the full classic menu immediately, just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard before you right-click on any file or folder. The old-school menu appears instantly with every single option visible. No extra clicks required. It is such a simple lifesaver. Speaking of saving time, let us talk about File Explorer. Did you know that Windows 11 now has tab support, just like your favorite web browser? You do not need to have 5 different windows cluttering up your screen anymore. To open a new tab, just click the small plus icon at the very top of the window. Or, if you want to be a real pro, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. This lets you jump between different folders in a single window. And when you are done and want to close a tab quickly without moving your mouse, just hit Ctrl+W. It is fast, efficient, and keeps your desktop looking clean. Now, let us liven things up. If you ever find yourself needing to add a bit of personality to your messages or comments, there is a hidden emoji panel built right into Windows. Just press the Windows key plus the dot key. A little window will pop up with every emoji, GIF, and symbol you could ever need. You can use these in YouTube comments, emails, or even when naming your folders. It works in every single app where you can type. If you are a multitasker like me, you probably have way too many windows open at once. Sometimes you just need to focus on one thing. Try this. Left-click and hold the title bar of the window you want to keep open, and then give your mouse a quick shake. Every other window will instantly minimize to the taskbar, leaving you with a clean workspace. Shake it again, and they all come back. If this does not work for you, we need to enable it. Open your settings. Go to System, then scroll down to Multitasking. Find the toggle for Title Bar Window Shake and switch it to On. Now you are ready to shake away the clutter. Now, let us talk about the look of your PC. If you just upgraded from Windows 10, you probably noticed the Start button moved to the center. I actually like it there, but if it drives you crazy, let us move it back. Right-click any empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors and click the little arrow to expand it. Change the taskbar alignment from center to left. Just like that, your Start menu is back where it belongs. While you are in the creative mood, let us fix the colors. Right-click your desktop and select Personalize. I highly recommend switching to dark mode. It is so much easier on your eyes, especially if you work late at night. Click on Colors, then under Choose Your Mode, select Dark. Watch as your settings and File Explorer transform into a sleek, professional dark theme. You can also go into Themes and click Browse Themes to find beautiful, free backgrounds from the Microsoft Store that will make your setup look amazing. Here is a secret that most people miss. The Start button has a secret secondary menu. Instead of left-clicking it, try right-clicking the Start button. This opens a powerful list of technical tools like Device Manager, network connections, and the terminal. I use this all the time because it is way faster than searching through the regular menu. For laptop users, and even desktop users, there's a new feature called Energy Saver. It is much better than the old Battery Saver. To find it, go to Settings, then System, and click on Power. Select Energy Saver and toggle it to Always Use Energy Saver. On a laptop, this will seriously extend your battery life. On a desktop, it actually helps lower your electricity bill by reducing the power draw when you are just doing simple tasks like browsing or writing. Finally, let us look at a brand new safety feature called Quick Machine Recovery. This is a game changer for when things go wrong. In Settings, go to System and then click Recovery. Select Quick Machine Recovery and enable it. When this is on, if your computer fails to boot up, it will automatically connect to the internet, find a fix from Microsoft, and try to repair itself. Below that, enable Continue Searching if a solution is not found. I recommend setting the search time to 30 minutes. This gives your PC the best chance of fixing itself without you needing to take it to a repair shop. Now that your PC is optimized with these tips, you want to make sure it stays that way. Go to Windows Update in your settings and click Check for Updates. Always make sure you have the latest security patches and driver updates to keep these features running smoothly. That is it for today. I hope these tips and tricks help you enjoy Windows 11 as much as I do. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who needs a PC upgrade. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next video.